Today in this video, we share TubeBuddy review. TubeBuddy is a lifesaver for an active YouTube user. It has the potential to save you an excellent deal of time on duties and gives you a vision that can assist you in growing. It is a pure web browser application that you can download for free in just 30 seconds of your time. TubeBuddy intends that you can access the functionality immediately on your YouTube dashboard. TubeBuddy has 64 important features that will help you with everything from promotion to YouTube SEO. Moreover, it comes full of individual videos of how to do and how to use the various feature. What is TubeBuddy? TubeBuddy is a free tool, including payment options aimed at assisting you to grow at YouTube. It provides you with a series of functionalities, tools including vital analytical data to improve including your channel. Apart from this, it is a safe tool since it is certified on YouTube, which guarantees that you can install it externally out of fear about anything happening. TubeBuddy serves as an extension of Google Chrome, so you will have to use this browser, and its installation is straightforward. Once you install this extension, when you start YouTube, you will notice that suddenly you have access to data that was not there before. Even an options button will arrive in your account. How to install TubeBuddy? The process is straightforward. You have to agree to the TubeBuddy website, discover the green button to connect the Google Chrome extension, allow the connection, add to Chrome, and that's it. Finally, you must link your YouTube account, including TubeBuddy, and you will have completed the process. Use white label software to rebrand services. As I told you, it is straightforward. You will remark that you already have TubeBuddy installed in your browser when you see the application icon in your browser bar. How to grow your YouTube channel. Now, I will show you what each bypass of the TubeBuddy switch panel is for, and I will describe its functions so that you can see how they could assist you in growing on YouTube. TubeBuddy has lots of important and exciting features. Therefore, the main aim of building TubeBuddy as a Chrome extension is to do it intuitive and super easy to work. Productivity tools. To increase your productivity as TubeBud, YouTuber comes by features like scheduled video, publish video, thumbnail generator, end screen templates and card templates, sunset videos. Publish as native video to Facebook, upload a checklist for necessary points before you upload your videos. Topic planner, video, programmed video updates, quick edit toolbar, high-level video embedding. Thumbnail generator. One of the most useful tools that begin with TubeBuddy is that thumbnail generator. Have you seen any YouTubers using the same template layout for generating thumbnails for every video? That's a feature of TubeBuddy. You won't have to do tools similar to Canva. It enables you to create and save a picture and a layout template and repeatedly reuse your latest videos. Moreover, this creates a regular stigmatized look for your way. Advanced video embedding. Practicing the TubeBuddy advanced video embedding feature, you can create a YouTube video embedding code that will enable you to turn off full screen mode, hide play and impertinent alternatives, etc. Scheduled video upload. It also enables you to record videos to upload on a particular date. Moreover, you can also set a video to attach to a suitable playlist on upload. Automatically publish to Facebook. TubeBuddy allows you to post your Facebook page videos as original Facebook videos directly. This way, you can monetize your video with Facebook ads as thoroughly. Upload checklist. No matter which projects you prefer, TubeBuddy will provide you with a free upload checklist that involves great points and steps you want to take before issuing a video on your channel. However, YouTube experts themselves create this checklist. YouTube SEO tools. Similar to Google, YouTube is a search engine for videos. Moreover, this means as a YouTuber, and you need to do SEO for your tapes too. TubeBuddy provides you with the next features for YouTube SEO. Auto translator, video tags finder, most regular practice, audit, keyword rank tracking, tag explorer, captions assistance. On request, suggested tags, tag lists including the sorter, video A/B test, search rankings, event finder, search explorer. Auto translator. For increasing your global reach, you can use TubeBuddy's auto translator feature. Moreover, it automatically translates your title, tags, and description within the most spoken language between your audience. However, you can likewise do this manually for particular languages. Tag Explorer. Tag Explorer assists you to find keyword tags for your videos. Adding correct tags in your videos can increase your prospects consistently. A/B analysis. This is one of the greatest features of TubeBuddy for growth optimization. Its A/B test feature helps you test various thumbnails, titles, and information against each difference so you can choose a final winner that does that fittest. Search rankings. Utilizing the search ranking feature, you will examine your video's rank for name tags. Moreover, are also about to launch a brand new feature that will enable you to monitor rankings weekly. Video audit. If you're a newcomer, you'll like this feature. TubeBuddy's video audit characteristic checks your video and shows everyone the errors that you want to correct. This ensures you're following YouTube's guidelines, including the characteristics of a strong video. Videolytics. TubeBuddy's Videolytics panel displays your basic data like total views, subscribers, including hate count, Facebook likes, how several videos its channel has, and remarks count. The Video Lyrics panel gives you the tags connected with the video as well. However, if you scroll down a tiny bit, you'll also encounter a button to show that video's research rankings in detail. It's a handy feature that gives y'all the analytics on the right side of any video you play. Quite an excellent way to keep an eye on your opponent. Video Topic Planner. Each video topic planner allows you to plan your video title and make a draft of notes. However, you can create a vlog plan on the go by documenting ideas as people come into your brain. Excellent features if you travel a lot or if you need to create a content strategy. Therefore, a highly valued member of TubeBuddy, even if you vlog for every hobby. Pricing. It is a free tool, indicating you can do it for free as long as you don't need premium features. Their premium plans begin from the Pro version, priced at $9 per month for one YouTube channel. Moreover, the Pro plan is enough for a beginner. It gives you the path to all the features, but you won't use features like A/B trial, video opportunities, including auto translator. If you own more further than one channel, contact their support team, and they will provide you with an additional discount. 30-day money-back guarantee. TubeBuddy allows a 30-day money-back guarantee on every paid plan. However, if you're unsatisfied with TubeBuddy, you can cancel the subscription before 30 days, and you'll get a complete refund. You can either give out their support for a refund or cancel your plan from your billing settings. Member Perks. TubeBuddy offers its members exclusive perks. These perks enable you to get discounts on multiple services for YouTube. YouTube mobile app, to maintain your YouTube channel from your smartphone. Royalty-free audio tracks, also sound effects. 4K motion graphics and sounds by YouTubestock.com. Channel consultation from YouTube experts. Collaboration possibilities free from Tuber tools. Cutting-edge production music during your thumbnails, card templates, and graphics. Access of Creator Academy. YouTube content through epidemicsound.com. 50% off toward 3playmedia.com, caption assistance. You will get way to all these perks in each of the premium plans. Therefore, free users will have to pay the equivalent for those perks and benefits. Support. Support is something you can demand anytime, and TubeBuddy has one of the biggest supports. Moreover, they have a ticket and personal email support by Zendesk software. Suppose you need help in getting started, including their extension. Moreover, you can join their forum or go for their growing began documentation. If you get stuck somewhere, build one ticket, and TubeBuddy's support team help you out. If you need the latest feature to be attached before TubeBuddy, you can request them to add it too. This gives it a community-driven tool. Moreover, they even own a Discord server you can join and interact with compatible producers. Reviewing amazing critical features of TubeBuddy. Let's take you for some critical features of TubeBuddy that you would appreciate. Therefore, here we try to describe some top-notch features and utilize them to increase your YouTube channel. Keyword Explorer. There are one of the ranking factors that YouTube uses to decide where you stand in rankings. When done right, keywords would enable you to gain more organic ways to your channel. However, with TubeBuddy, you're able to achieve both high search volume also low competition keywords. When you select those rich keywords, you can demand to drive your channel's exponential growth in a short time. Choose the Launch Keyword Explorer option, including a dialog box that would appear. Type your targeted keyword within the container and continue to explore. Next would be the display of specific data concerning your keyword of choice. However, you would display your data such as overall score, score analysis, relevant, various used tags, and many other data that pops up. TubeBuddy will rate your keywords as easy, fair, medium, or superior. It also gives relevant keywords that you can work out. Competitor Keywords Finder. It is always advised that you keep track of the activities of your key competitors. It is an excellent step towards learning what works for them and applying them to your channel. With TubeBuddy, you can produce accurate details of keywords that your competitors are using. To do this, visit your competitor's channel, including play any video content. TubeBuddy will bring up specific data about that particular video, including the keywords related, the number of social media shares, analytics, and some brief bio regarding the channel. In the Tags section found at the back of the TubeBuddy Analytics page, you would find the keywords used by your competitors. In that way, you can gain more insights into these keywords utilized on each video content. Custom Thumbnail. When you are just beginning as a newbie content producer on YouTube, you will want viewers to click for your videos to get a steady inflow of subscribers, including views. Therefore, an eye-catching thumbnail is one of the steps to get those much-needed click-throughs by observers. So, capturing the nature of your video content into an engaging thumbnail is very important. TubeBuddy's thumbnail generator supports you create impressive thumbnails for your video content. So, there is no requirement for employing third-party apps during your custom thumbnails. Video A/B testing. It's great when you test templates to understand what works best for your channel, and this is what TubeBuddy does for you. It encourages you to try all of your titles, information, tags, and even thumbnails to check the best template to go with during your channel. These feature instructions enable you to determine what type of style for your name, type, or thumbnail makes more extra user meetings. Social media publishing. It is one of the greatest ways to get traffic to your channel. Moreover, TubeBuddy allows you to publish directly to Facebook plus Twitter. So, using social media marketing, you can make up your pipeline to excellent heights. Custom response. Joining with your channel visitors is one of the quickest ways to build rapport and a loyal subscriber, including a viewership base during your channel. It is necessary that respond to remarks on your content. Most importantly, it should not just be single responses, merely personalized replies that would make your readers feel valuable. Again, YouTube tracks how often you join your audience, including using that factor as part of their SEO ranking criteria. Moreover, TubeBuddy gives custom-made comment templates to help you reply to as many comments as released by users. Who is this tool for? Creators who need to grow their channels, join with their audience and streamline their workflow can install it. This encourages them to spend more time creating unique content. Brands want to focus more on productive work and grow their business on YouTube simultaneously. Agencies can take benefit of this tool by maintaining their clients' channels with ease. For networks, they can allow TubeBuddy to their associates for profit. Pros and cons. Pros packed up with such numerous rich features. Allows you to compare your channel with your competitor. Affordable plans. It gives a free program to use the tool. Cons. Sometimes, select your browser laggy. We need to pay for various licenses for multiple channels. Conclusion. TubeBuddy is complete, including a powerful tool for YouTubers. If you want more views and make more extra money from your YouTube videos, you should present it a try. You can manage their extension on Chrome as well as Safari browser. It comes with important features that assist you. Analyze your competitors' find YouTube tags.